We helped our client secure a key job placement in under 90 days using this simple strategy. This is exactly how we did it. Okay, so just looking at the analytics dashboard for Union County Economic Development, as you can see in the last 30 days, they've generated 300 unique views to their homepage. And the second most viewed page on their entire site right here is this page called Economic Development Project Coordinator Details. And it has 105 active users, 168 views throughout a total of 3,500 events on this site in just the past 30 days. The problem was that Union County needed to quickly fill a role for their economic development project coordinator. So we collaborated with their team on a strategy to drive traffic from the website and other organic direct sources. So here's how we did it. As we refreshed the homepage, we wanted to direct traffic to the job placement page where the details live. So we added this nice little interactive pop-up that was sticky on the bottom of the homepage to try and capitalize on the homepage traffic. You click into this, you get all the details of the position served right away, all the details through this outbound form, along with the apply now details that go straight to the economic development manager's inbox. We can respond right away and get in touch with a potential candidate. This job ended up being filled in under 90 days. Here's our communication after we reported those updates. Thank you, Andy. Looks great. And we added the links in. Looks great. Thank you. And we are now getting the request to pull this down after having a key job being placed in under 90 days, saving our clients time, stress, money, and budget, and not having to worry about doing outbound marketing to fill this role.